Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to edit checkout pages in Shopify. So simply to do this, just go to theme and click on customize option, and after that just you will move to new page, and now here you can find the checkouts. Simply click here and now wait for a few seconds. So here you can see our checkout page is finally available here. So simply what we need to do, just you have to click here and now edit the contact information, like I am adding email here. So after this, just here you can type the name, like I am typing the random name here. You can also add the address here. I already added the address, so simply click here. Now here I can edit the address. So after this, you can also select this option if you want to save this information. So now click on continue. So now wait for a few seconds. So here you can see our checkout page is available. So simply now click on continue. So now here if you want to change some option, you can also change, like I want to change the email. So simply click on change button. Now here you can edit the email address, and after this just click on continue. So in this way you can easily edit checkout pages in Shopify.